In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your PayPal mobile app. It is recommended you always check for updates for this PayPal mobile app so as to enhance the security of your app and also get the latest version of this app that comes with the latest features. This will also help you to fix a lot of problems that are associated with outdated apps such as bugs and also malfunctioning. So to check for updates and update your app, it is pretty simple, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to get started, you can either update your PayPal app through Google Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone. However, if you are using an iPhone, then you can still update your PayPal app through App Store. So for my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, and I'll proceed to Google Play Store, which is here, and then tap on it. Now from here, I'll go ahead and search for PayPal, and here's our app, and then I'll tap on it, and now we have here two options: uninstall and open. So if you see open, then it means you're using the latest version of PayPal app. You don't need to worry. However, if you see it written update, then it means you have been using an outdated version of PayPal app. Now go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of PayPal app and install it on your smartphone. For my case, I'll not be able to update it because I already have an up-to-date app. Now once this is done, now you can go ahead and log into your app by tapping on open here, and now you start using the latest version of PayPal app. So that's how you update and get the latest features from PayPal app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.